Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to link your Charles Schwab brokerage account to TradingView for seamless trading, this is how it's done. So firstly, of course, just like me, open up their website, go to TradingView and log in. If you don't have an account, create one. After that, in TradingView, open any chart. At the bottom of the screen, click the Trading Panel tab. This will display a list of supported brokers. And from there, in the trading panel, look for Charles Schwab in the list of available brokers. Click on the Schwab logo to begin the connection process. After that, authorize your account. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log in with your Charles Schwab credentials. Enter your credentials after that. Follow the prompts to authorize. After that, after successful authorization, TradingView will connect to your Schwab accounts. You should now see your Schwab account details, including your portfolio and trading options integrated directly into TradingView. And important notes, ensure your Schwab account has online trading enabled for seamless integrations. For security, always verify the connection from your Schwab account settings after linking. If it doesn't appear in your trading panel, check for TradingView platform updates or contact their support for guidance. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you. Press like and subscribe. See you in the next one.